What is the difference between CC cream and BB cream? If you like the look of foundation but not the heavy feel, BB and CC creams are for you. These products are 1 part makeup and 1 part moisturizer. They have some pigment to help even out your skin tone but are sheer enough to look and feel completely natural. While BB and CC creams share a ton of common characteristics, they're not quite the same. Read on to discover what the difference is between CC and BB creams, what their main skin benefits are, as well as how to use them as part of your daily skin care routine. What is CC cream? CC stands for color corrector or complexion corrector. An effective 2-in-1 skin care product, a CC cream delivers much the same results as using a color correcting concealer together with a foundation. CC creams neutralize the look of skin imperfections by utilizing colors opposite of each other on the color wheel. For example, if you were to have purple under eye circles and veins, you'd want to go for a peach-orange color CC cream, and if you're dealing with redness associated with rosacea, sunburn, acne, or broken capillaries, a green CC cream would work well to neutralize the reddish color. What does CC cream do? In addition to offering a lighter coverage than a foundation, CC creams provide you with extra anti-aging properties, AA+ BB = CC. And have a more airy texture compared to the thick and heavy texture of BB creams. CC cream is recommended for those with enlarged pores, redness caused by rosacea, or uneven texture. Look for CC creams with niacinamide as well as vitamins B and E to help recapture your skin's youthful glow. Niacinamide helps exfoliate skin to reduce the look of wrinkles, while vitamins B and E help strengthen your skin's natural defense against moisture loss.
For our most potent complexion corrector action, check out Olay Regenerist CC Cream SPF 15, available in 2 shades, light and dark.
It boasts the same skin benefits as our BB creams, but contains 50% more skin-perfecting ingredients for a more visible effect. It also contains SPF 15 to protect your skin from sun damages caused by UVA and UVB rays.
When to use CC cream?
When you're in a rush and want to cover up your imperfections in the least amount of time, or you simply don't want to wear too much makeup, instead of choosing a foundation, go for CC cream equipped with broad-spectrum SPF, and make use of its many added skin care benefits. What is BB cream? BB cream is short for blemish balm or beauty balm, and it's used to moisturize, protect, and correct your skin.
BB creams became popular in South Korea in the mid-1980s but were actually created in Germany in the 1960s to help patients recovering from laser treatments and surgery.
The trend eventually made its way from the beauty epicenter in the East to the beauty bags of women in the West around 2011. The buzz for BBs quickly made them a makeup bag must-have. What does BB cream do? Considerably lighter and offering a more sheer coverage than foundations, these pumped-up, tinted moisturizers provide skin-perfecting benefits too. Refresh,
brighten,
hydrate, smooth, and even out your skin tone for a flawlessly radiant look. An additional BB cream benefit found in most BB creams is sunscreen, which helps protect your skin from the sun's damaging rays. For the best results, use a BB cream containing ingredients such as glycerine, niacinamide and at least SPF 15. Glycerine helps hydrate skin by holding onto moisture, niacinamide helps increase surface cell renewal to lift away dead skin cells for a fresh, even, rejuvenated complexion, and SPF protects against UV rays. Our recommendation is Olay Total Effects BB Day Cream, which comes in 2 shades, fair and medium. They both instantly even out your complexion with a touch of foundation as well as nourishing and protecting your skin to deliver 7 benefits in 1: hydrating, boosting glow, evening skin tone, minimizing pores visibly, smoothing and plumping, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and protecting from environmental factors such as UVA, UVB rays with its SPF 15 protection. When to use BB cream? BB creams are safe to use on a regular, daily basis, but as one of the most versatile skin care products on the market, they're especially useful when you don't have time to apply a moisturizer. Primer and foundation, just throw on a bit of BB cream, preferably one with SPF, and you're ready to conquer the day. The differences between CC and BB cream. One of the most significant differences between a CC and a BB cream is that while a BB cream offers light coverage and added skincare benefits, a CC cream also aims to color correct. It's primarily meant to help correct the color of redness, dark spots or pale skin and is meant to go under a foundation. In contrast, BB creams are useful when you want a bit of coverage with added sun protection and hydration, without looking like you have makeup on. BB and CC creams also differ from regular tinted moisturizers, which is a type of lightweight face cream that offers a dash of color.